somewhere between $300 and $200. That's what a standalone travel insurance policy can cost for a family trip. And you might already have all of it for free sitting in your wallet. Most travelers never activate it, never know the rules, and pay twice for protection they already own. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact number of dollars in coverage your card already gives you, and the 8 moves to actually use it. Let's start with what's already baked into the card you're carrying right now. Move 1. Check your trip delay and cancellation coverage. Most travel rewards cards include it automatically. Trip delay coverage usually kicks in after your flight is delayed 6 to 12 hours, covering meals, hotel, and toiletries. Trip cancellation and interruption coverage reimburses non-refundable trip costs if you cancel for a covered reason like illness or a family emergency. The key detail almost nobody checks. Coverage is tied to how you paid. You must charge the trip to that specific card. Log into your card's benefits portal or call the number on the back and pull the guide to benefits PDF. That document is the actual contract. Compare limits across every card in your wallet, because you can sometimes stack per person caps across 2 cardholders on the same trip. That's the coverage sitting dormant. Now here's the part that determines whether it pays out at all. Move 2. Activate coverage before you fly by paying for the trip with the right card and enrolling if required. Coverage typically only applies if the entire cost of the passenger fare was charged to the eligible card, not just a deposit. Some issuers auto-enroll you the moment you charge the ticket. Others require a separate opt-in through the benefits site before departure. Screenshot your charge confirmation and the benefits guide the same day you book. You'll need proof of purchase timing later. If you're bringing a partner or kids, put at least part of each traveler's fare on the same qualifying card to include them in the claim. Set a calendar reminder for 24 hours after booking to double-check enrollment status. This single step prevents most denied claims. That handles flights and hotels. Rental cars are a completely different coverage category, so let's untangle it. Move 3. Know whether your rental coverage is primary or secondary before you decline the counter insurance. Secondary coverage only pays after your personal auto insurance processes the claim first, which can raise your personal premium. Primary coverage on a card pays out directly for damage or theft without ever touching your personal auto policy. Some premium travel cards offer primary coverage automatically. Others require you to decline the rental company's collision waiver to trigger it. This coverage usually excludes liability to other people or vehicles. It only covers damage to the rental car itself. Photograph the entire vehicle before you drive off, time-stamped, from all 4 corners plus dashboard mileage. Rentals in certain countries, and for certain vehicle types like exotic or cargo vans, are often excluded entirely, so check before you book. With rentals covered, let's talk about the perks that quietly protect everything you buy on the trip too. Move 4. Use purchase protection and extended warranty for anything bought on the card, even outside travel. Purchase protection covers items that are stolen or accidentally damaged shortly after buying them, up to a per claim and per year cap. Extended warranty coverage adds an additional year onto the manufacturer's original warranty on eligible electronics and appliances. This applies to camera gear, phones, and luggage bought before a trip. Exactly the stuff that gets stolen or cracked on the road. Keep the original receipt and the credit card statement showing the charge. Both are required documents for any claim. These 2 benefits alone can be worth more per year than most people pay in annual card fees combined. Now let's actually walk through submitting a claim, because this is the step that scares people off completely. Move 5. File the claim within the required window using the benefits administrator's exact document checklist. Start by calling the benefits administrator number listed in your guide to benefits, not the general customer service line. They will open a claim number and email you a checklist, usually the receipt, the credit card statement, and an incident description. For trip delay claims, get a written delay statement from the airline showing the reason and duration of the delay. For rental claims, submit your before and after photos along with the rental agreement and the repair estimate. Submit everything as one complete packet instead of piecemeal. Incomplete submissions are the #1 cause of processing delays. Most claims are decided in 2 to 4 weeks. Keep a copy of every document you send in case they request resubmission. Filing correctly gets you paid, but for certain trips, card coverage alone still isn't enough. Here's when to add a policy. Move 6. Stack a cheap standalone policy on top of card coverage for high-risk or high-cost trips. Card coverage generally excludes emergency medical evacuation, which can cost tens of thousands of dollars overseas. A standalone policy focused only on medical evacuation and emergency medical is cheap because it's not duplicating trip cost coverage you already have. Cruises, remote hiking trips, and countries with expensive medevac logistics are exactly where this add-on policy earns its cost. Buy the standalone policy as a supplement, not a replacement. Let your card handle cancellation and delay. Let the policy handle medical evacuation. This stacking approach typically costs a fraction of a comprehensive standalone plan, while covering the actual gap that matters. Now let's cover the exclusions that quietly void claims people assume were covered. Move 7. Know the standard exclusions before you travel so a preventable mistake doesn't void your claim. Pre-existing medical conditions are commonly excluded unless disclosed and covered under specific plan terms. Extreme sports like skydiving or backcountry skiing are frequently excluded from both card and standalone medical coverage. Trips booked or travel begun after a foreseeable event, like a named storm already forming, are typically excluded from cancellation coverage. Cash advances, gift cards, and loyalty points bookings usually don't count as an eligible charge for trip protection. Failing to report a rental car accident to the rental company immediately can void collision coverage entirely. Read the exclusions section of your guide to benefits before you book anything unusual. It's short and it saves claims. So with all that in mind, how do you actually choose the right card for this whole stack going forward? Move 8. Choose one card specifically for its insurance stack, not just its point turning rate. Prioritize cards that explicitly state primary rental collision coverage rather than secondary. Compare trip delay trigger times. A 6-hour trigger pays out far more often than a 12-hour trigger. Check the purchase protection and extended warranty caps side by side, since these vary widely between issuers. Factor the annual fee against the value of the insurance stack alone, separate from any points or miles. Once you pick the card, make it your default for every flight, hotel, and rental booking, so the coverage is never accidentally left off. That's the full system. Coverage most people already have, activated correctly, filed correctly, and backed up only where it actually has gaps. Quick recap. Check your coverage. Activate before flying. No primary vs secondary rentals. Use purchase protection. File with the right documents. Stack in medical evacuation for risky trips. Avoid the standard exclusions, and pick one card built around this whole stack. Your next move. Pull up your card's guide to benefits today, before your next trip is even booked, and confirm what you already own. That single 10-minute check is the real reason you'll never need to pay for travel insurance again.